Good afternoon, everybody. Where I'm from, we have a museum on Philips. The city of Eindhoven has a museum on the company Philips. But in Nagoya, we have the company of Toyota, another global famous company, and this is their museum. So let's see how they came to be as they are today, one of the biggest car manufacturers in the world. We've now seen the humble beginnings in the textile industry, very useful for the airbags and the seats of the cars. We are now moving on to the car manufacturing of Toyota, which also has a big history on its own. So let's see some old automobiles and the start of Toyota as we know it today. And that was the Toyota brick house. Hope you enjoyed it, got a good impression of the place. It's 500 yen entry, it's here in Nagoya, and it's a really nice historical building as well. beautifully managed, and really nice Japanese people inside, of course, giving you all the information you need. Toyota, very interesting company, very interesting place here in Nagoya, worth a visit. See you!